Hi, thanks for joining me. We're going to be making baked tofu. Please preheat your oven to 400 degrees. You will need firm tofu. Please proceed to cut it into cubes. Please add the garlic, then some soy sauce, and then proceed with the grapeseed oil, some salt, and some pepper to taste, and finally the cornstarch. Please mix everything well. Place the tofu cubes into a lined baking sheet and bake it for about 15 minutes, and then flip it over again to bake for another 15 minutes until it's golden brown, and then serve immediately. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. See you soon.